25 years. And it's kind of funny how this industry just is how things happen, because she was involved with Kappa. She worked to improve the quality of aftermarket parts. And now, isn't it funny? What am I doing, Karen? It's funny how things happen.
Full circle.
Full circle. And I remember years ago, her and I sitting and talking, and her telling me what it was like and trying to understand. And it's back when I was running a shop and I was kind of not sure either. So we had some very kind of heated discussions, and I've come to realize she was right. Karen left Kappa and formed Karen Orr Consultants, working to improve relationships with the aftermarket part manufacturers and the industry. And she served on a lot of things. She was on the National Auto Body Council board. She was a treasurer, actively participated in many programs. She was very, very active. Stop that look. Because I'm gonna cry because you're getting that look. She was very active in Can't Make a Dream and the bus. Who remembers the bus?
On the bus. She named it.
On the bus. So she was involved in that. She was involved in Hurricane Katrina relief efforts. She served as chair of Recycled Rides for Schools program. I think that's who got that started. And very involved in a lot of things. Very involved in CIC. She has co-chaired several committees and worked and participated on other ones. Karen was recognized as most influential woman over a decade ago. Karen, in her non-industry volunteer work, includes annual visits to Israel to support efforts there. And Karen and her husband Barry helped me knock one thing off of my bucket list and invited me to go to Israel with them, and it was one of the best weeks of my life. Karen, can you please come up here? Put this on you without dropping it. Wear it proudly. Oops, oh wait. I forgot this was Karen.
This way, please. Thank you. One more. Let her husband get a photo. I'll put up there and get a photograph.
Okay.
Excuse me, guys.
Oh.
Let her husband get a photograph.
Yeah.
Let her husband up here.
Okay. Need you to look this way one more time, please. Thank you.
Well, I will cry.
Please do.
I knew that I wouldn't be able to gather my thoughts, and since it's not the Academy Awards, I have a couple of minutes more than they get. So I am going to read my thoughts. And I probably won't get... I'm humbled to be inducted into the Hall of Eagles and appreciative to those who came before me and deemed me worthy. I came to this industry after experience as a community organizer, a teacher, and a consumer advocate. It's been a wild ride. Many of you have heard me say, quote, I was 6'3" when I got into this industry. Why would I say such a thing? Over the years, some doubted the sincerity of my quest to improve our industry. Mainly because I advocated for quality aftermarket parts and ethical behavior from all industry segments. Some were suspicious of me about my motivation, or perhaps they simply didn't like the fact that I'm an outspoken woman. Receiving this honor indicates to me that a significant number of industry leaders understand that my personal goal has always been to make the world, and as part of that world, our industry, a better place. If I have succeeded, it's because of mentors and cheerleaders who deeply touched and supported me throughout my career. They had faith in me, they taught and encouraged me, and they lifted me up when I was down. In particular, I'd like to acknowledge and thank the following people for giving me guidance. These are by no means the only people who gave me guidance, but these are the ones I feel that need to be mentioned tonight. The late Jerry Dalton, one of the founders of Craftsman Auto Body in Northern Virginia. Jerry was the first collision repairer I met when I entered the industry in 1990. He nudged me in the right direction early on, encouraged me to follow my dreams, and expressed faith in my ability to succeed. When I founded Karen Consultants in 1997, now retired SCRS Executive Director John Loftus took the time to get to know me, understand my motivations, and open doors and pave the way for me to have meaningful communication with collision repairers. My dear friend, Lou DeLisio, founder of Automotive Industry Consulting. Over the years, Lou has been a great mentor and friend, guiding me along an often rocky road and providing a big shoulder to lean on. For the better part of the past decade, Sean Carey, founder of SCG Management Consultants, has been an incredible mentor and has become a good friend. He has both challenged and encouraged me as I re-engineered myself and redirected my business into a broader international collision industry space. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention my girlfriends in Wynn, specifically Colonista, Petra Schroeder, Susanna Gotch of CCC, and Denise Casperson of Aztec. Beyond what these three women mean to me personally, they are among an exceptional group of strong leaders who are making this industry a more welcoming place for women and improving the industry for the benefit of all of us, regardless of gender. My biggest supporter and cheerleader, a guy who has put up with a lot on both the personal and professional fronts. Through thick and thin, over the past 46 years, my husband Barry and I have grown up and faced challenges together and supported each other along the way. Our greatest joint accomplishment is raising two sons who have become exemplary men, both personally and professionally. My work in this industry has enabled me to have extraordinary experiences and meet many wonderful people. I have attempted to mentor, encourage, and be a positive role model to both men and women as a way of paying it forward. The honor of being inducted into the Hall of Eagles tells me that my contributions are recognized and have played at least a small role in enhancing our industry. Thank you for this honor.